up, guys? Sterling the Investor here, and in today's video we're going to talk a little bit about the New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair and an opportunity that I was actually able to take advantage of earlier today, and also an opportunity that we can possibly look to take advantage of later tonight or early tomorrow. So basically what we have is a confirmed bullish condition. We had a brief bearish pullback, and I was not able to get in on the initial bullish candle. However, I was able to get in on the second bullish candle, and it didn't create any issues. We were able to catch our 20 pips with ease. It's not always that simple, and it doesn't always happen that easy, but today it did. And as you can see, the market continued to make higher highs and higher lows. However, I was not watching the market at that time, so we did not take advantage of those opportunities as well. But in regards to tomorrow, we have what looks to be another bearish push. We have about three strong bearish candles forming, and I'm anticipating price to come back down into structure into that 66.30-ish zone. And once price gets there, I'll start looking for some bullish confirmation. That strong green bullish candle to paint, and then we'll be looking to get back involved in the market there and then take it back up for another 20 pips. And then from there, I'm anticipating the market to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So if you guys have any questions, or if you want to take a look at that opportunity tomorrow, if it's something you want to watch, put on your radar, it wouldn't be a bad idea. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.